Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to add border in Snapseed. Adding a border to an image on Snapseed can be done using the Frames tool, so here is how you can do it. Launch open Snapseed application and tap on the plus icon on the middle of the screen. Open up an image from your device's camera roll or choose the camera option and take a picture right now. I'm just going to open up an image from my device's library. Select the image by tapping on it, and then once you get to this page, go ahead and add filters on your images if necessary. After you do that, click on Tools at the bottom, scroll all the way down and tap on Frames at the bottom right corner. Now that you can see these options, where you can see multiple frame option at the bottom, swipe left or right and choose your preferred borders from the menu at the bottom. Once you are done selecting your border, you can also adjust the border by sliding left or right from your screen to adjust the thickness of border. After you are satisfied with the border you've selected, tap on the check mark at the bottom right and then tap on the export button at the bottom right and select the export option of your choice and follow the instructions till the end to complete your export process. So that is how you will be able to add border in Snapseed. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.